If you snore, there might be a chance you have sleep apnea. And it's a serious disorder that could result in heart problems, but the Center for Sleep Apnea and Snoring can definitely help you out, and you might not even need one of those clunky CPAP machines like you see there. And I know that, a lot of people have difficulty sleeping in a machine like that. Sleep tech Veronica Morelos is here today to tell us a little more about it. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Now, we just saw that cumbersome, clunky CPAP machine, but you guys have an oral appliance. How does it work?
We do. We have an alternative for those people who have sleep apnea and they cannot tolerate that CPAP machine because it is very uncomfortable. So what we have is an oral appliance. What this appliance does is it anchors to your teeth. It's a custom fit impression, and it brings that lower jaw forward. By bringing that lower jaw forward, your airway is open naturally. You don't have to have that pressured air going down your nose or your throat to keep that airway open.
And a lot easier to sleep in.
Yes, exactly. And like we know, sleep apnea, it's so dangerous. A lot of people do not know they have it. So if you're snoring, if you're waking up tired, if you're doing everything you're supposed to do and you're still exhausted, you need to kind of find out what's going on because it could be a little bit more serious.
So those are kind of the signs and symptoms that you want to be paying attention to if, you say, you don't have a partner next to you who might be noticing that you stop breathing in the middle of the night.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How affordable is treatment, and do most medical insurance providers and Medicare cover treatments?
Yes, we are a Medicare provider, and most major insurances do cover it. Yes.
And you have a deal for the first 25 viewers who call.
We do. The first 25 callers get a free consultation. That's a $200 value. So you guys can give us a call. We can, take your information over the phone, find out if you need sleep study or if you just need to come in and visit us. If you've had a sleep study, it's even easier. You come in within 2 weeks, we get your appliance and it's ready to go.
Now, what is the reaction from folks who go from, say, the CPAP machine to this oral appliance?
They love it because most of the patients that come in the office, they hate their CPAP machines. So when they come in, they're like, I'm tired. I've had it from 1 year to 10 years, and they're still struggling with it. So when they see that there's an alternative out there, they're like, I want that. Once they take it home, they're like, oh my gosh, I love it. We test them to see how well they're doing with it to make sure that it is working. And after they've had it, they're like, I don't want to be without it anymore. I love this. I don't ever want to go back to CPAP.
And tell me about the lifestyle change it makes for them.
Oh, so then, of course, a lot of the times when you have sleep apnea, you do gain some weight. So when you treat your sleep apnea, since it contributes to high blood pressure, possible stroke. And so when you're using the oral appliance and treating the sleep apnea, you're losing weight, believe it or not, because you're getting your 8 hours of sleep and you're getting what you need in order for you. They tell you eat well and sleep well. Well, if you're not sleeping well, you're not going to be losing weight. So, a lot of people are just happy. They have more energy to work out, and they're just overall excited about the whole thing instead of having a machine on their face.
Right. So, all right, let's get that deal up on the screen. The first 25 callers will receive a free sleep consultation. This is normally a $200 value, so you're going to want to call now for that free sleep consultation. It's available again for the first 25 SA Live callers. That number is on your screen, 210-598-8200. That's 210-598-8200. 8200. And for more information on the Center for Sleep Apnea and Snoring, just head to their website. You see it right there, stopsnoringtx.com.